Let's be completely honest for a second. When a normal family looks at the window sticker price of a brand new EV, their stomach instantly drops. Between high bank interest rates and upfront dealer battery premiums, it feels like this entire technology loop was locked away exclusively for wealthy buyers.
And that initial financial frustration is entirely valid under current manufacturing parameters. The upfront battery asset acquisition cost represents a massive entry barrier. But to calculate absolute affordability for a family budget, you have to look completely past initial sales lot transaction numbers. We have to analyze the direct physics of thermodynamic energy conversion and real-world long-term asset degradation.
Look, DC, regular households don't finance a commuter car based on physics equations. They calculate their survival on actual monthly bill responsibilities. If I am forced to borrow thousands extra upfront, how many actual calendar years do I have to drive to break even on fuel?
Especially when public fast charging stations across the highway networks are charging an absolute arm and a leg today.
That's only if you rely blindly on commercial highway networks. The hidden reality is an incredible grid of completely free public charging infrastructure hiding in plain sight. Traditional combustion engines waste 70% of fuel as ambient friction heat. EVs are over 85% efficient, meaning every single electron you source carries you further. If you filter your PlugShare and ChargePoint apps correctly, you unlock completely unmetered public utility stations funded by local town centers and corporate grants for zero cost. Plus, local utility innovators like Jackson EMC and Georgia Power drop overnight charging costs to absolute pennies while providing massive partner network discount credits directly through apps like ChargePoint. By balancing strategic utility discounts with free community infrastructure, your yearly energy bill drops from thousands down to an absolute baseline fraction.
Wow, so if you combine home utility discounts with verified Freetown chargers, you slash the financial payback window completely in half. Okay, so the daily fuel math works out if you utilize those local grid setups. But let's address the hidden maintenance execution traps.
Regular drivers are terrified that the minute their warranty mileage expires, the entire vehicle battery asset will suddenly drop dead, leaving an everyday family completely stranded with an unexpected $15,000 replacement bill that utterly wipes out their life savings. And that specific operational panic is fueled by completely obsolete cell data tracking from a decade ago. The engineering has completely evolved.
Modern family EVs utilize highly sophisticated, liquid-cooled thermal management lines to actively prevent degradation stress during rapid highway cycles.
Verified industry fleet metrics demonstrate that current production batteries retain over 90% of total factory capacity past long milestones. They are physically engineered to easily outlast traditional internal combustion transmissions and engine blocks, with zero internal motor wear.
Wow. So no oil changes, no transmission flushes, and the actual battery outlives the structural lifespan of the physical car frame itself?
Exactly. But there is one final critical financial metric trap a middle-class buyer must look out for: residual value depreciation rates.
Which is bad for a new car buyer, but a massive winning lottery ticket for a smart middle-class used car shopper.
You pocket thousands in instant savings. Plus, multiple forward-thinking Nissan, Chevrolet, and Kia dealerships leave their ChargePoint stalls completely unmetered and free for public access. Plus, multiple forward-thinking Nissan, Chevrolet, and Kia dealerships leave their ChargePoint stalls completely unmetered and free for public access.
This is exactly why we track these routes. When you leverage free dealer networks
and utility charging discounts, owning an EV becomes
an absolute budget for regular families.
By bypassing corporate price traps and mapping out your local community assets correctly, the technology actively pays dividends back into your pocket.
We walk the path so you can charge ahead. Subscribe to the EV Files to keep ahead of the grid.